Hey guys, it's Michelle. Sorry if my voice sounds like shit. I have a fever, but that didn't stop me from making a video because it's been so long since I made a video because I was out of the country visiting family. So this is the Fenty Full Frontal Volume and Lift Curl Mascara. There's the packaging right here. I think it's super cute. The wand is pretty big, definitely one of the wands on the wider side. It'd be nice to not need falsies because of a good ass mascara. So on the Fenty Beauty website it says, "Give it to me quick. The ultimate do-it-all mascara designed for a fully exposed lash look featuring an exclusive flat to fat brush that instantly volumizes, lifts, lengthens, and curls." So it doesn't say anything about it being waterproof, it just says long wear and basically a fuck ton of volume, so that's what we're gonna be looking for. Using my Shiseido eyelash curler. I'm curling them like crazy because that's what I normally do. I love winged eyeliner, but because it's a mascara review, I want you guys to be able to actually see the mascara, which is why I'm not wearing any eyeliner. So when putting on mascara, I personally, when I take it out of the tube, I like to take off the top excess because it does, this is one of those mascaras that have a lot of extra on the top. Now, I'm gonna go in with just a light layer at first to see how it looks. Sometimes if I really want volume, I like to go with the zigzag motion. So I might do that on one side. I'll just lengthen, just swipe on the mascara wand. And the other side, I might do the zigzag where I put my lashes one way and then the other way, just to see how it looks. Because I know some mascaras work better if you just basically put it on, just swipe it, comb it through the lashes. But some mascaras work better if you go left and right, left and right. So these are my eyelashes after one full coat. But personally, I feel like based on just one sweep of the wand, one full coat, I feel like this looks more lengthening than volumizing than I expected. So I'm gonna do the zigzag motions on this eye. So it's kind of like teasing your hair. Basically, you swipe your eyelashes on the opposite side. So I'm swiping this towards the direction of my nose, towards my left side. After you do that, you do it on the right side. Also, I know my eyelid looks fucked up. This happens a lot, especially when you get a new mascara. When it's just wet and right out of the tube, it tends to like smear everywhere. That's what she said. But yeah, don't worry, we're just gonna wait for that to dry and then we'll fix it. So again, going really crazy, pushing that to the left, and then brushing that out. One thing that I also like to do with mascara is I like to take it and brush down on the lashes just because your eyeshadow can get on your eyelashes and it can make it look kind of weird, so this really cleans it up. Doing the zigzag motion here, it definitely looks cute. So now I'm gonna do it on this eye, but instead we're just gonna sweep through it like a basic bitch. So when comparing the two different application techniques, I personally like this side better with the left to right zigzag. Just because I feel like this, it looks a little bit clumpier. It doesn't look as separated as this eye. I feel like this looks a little more like SpongeBob eyelashes compared to this eye, so I definitely prefer the zigzag motion, but both ways, I mean, I could barely tell the difference and I think it looks really nice. So for the hard part is the lower lash line. What I like to do for the lower lash line, I don't like to dunk it back in the tube because I feel like it has too much product. There's no excess. I feel like that's the prime time to really go into it. So far, there's nothing crazy on the tip right here. So I'm gonna tilt my head down and I'm gonna basically just take the pointier side and just go like this. I just like to wiggle through it. I feel like when I go like this, it's more likely to smear everywhere and I feel like it's harder to really go in there. So I like to go in with the pointed side. I feel like considering how big the wand is, kind of scared it was gonna fuck up the lower lash line, but it's actually not that bad. I mean, I know my eyelashes look really scrilly, really crazy right now, but it'll all go together in the end when we clean it up, so don't worry. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other lower lash line. It's making my left eye tear up. I don't want to cry. The lower lashes, it's not the best mascara, but it's definitely not the worst. I think it's not bad. So now that the top lashes are definitely dry at this point, I'm gonna go back in again on both lashes to see how it builds up. Such a fail. I tried to clean up the eyelashes off camera and ended up getting this big ass black dot on my face. Honestly, just trying to clean up my eyelashes. I mean my eyeshadow, because the mascara got on it. And I tried to go back in to get the eyeshadow off, and now this eye looks terrible. Looks terrible. It's definitely not the most buildable mascara, because look at that. I did a mascara review on ColourPop on their volumizing mascara, and it definitely did not do what this did. Oh god. I'm gonna take the spoolie from my e.l.f. pencil, try to comb this through. My roller lash and my ColourPop does not do this to me, so I don't know how I feel about that. Okay, now that you guys are zoomed out, it does look less bad, but I feel like this is partly because I build it up a lot. It did look okay, it did look nice before I builded it up, but I just feel like if you're gonna market yourself as a volumizing mascara, I feel like you should expect it to make the lashes look thick and be able to build it up a lot without it looking clumpy. And other mascaras that I've used and I've included on my channel, my roller lash and my ColourPop, I've used a lot of mascara on my eyes, and I've never encountered this before, so I don't know. I feel like this mascara is nice for a natural look, but if you're crazy like me and you expect your mascara to replace your falsies, so you put on a lot in hopes of it replacing falsies, this definitely will not replace false lashes. This is not a fail, but this is definitely not my favorite. I expected it to like it more because I do like Fenty Beauty products, but this is just not my complete favorite, so I'd say depends on the consumer. But yeah, if you made it this through, thank you so much for dealing with my beat up voice. I sound like a teenage boy going through puberty, but I know this will pass. Sorry if you thought I was too harsh. This is just what I thought of the mascara. Maybe you like it. If you like it, continue loving it, okay? And yeah, hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.